Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. So many of you know I recently cut my hair. I have a video I'll link down below in the description box, and I really like how the overall shape came out. I did cut a lot of hair, but I still have enough that I could put in a pony puff, so I'm really happy about that. I decided to wash my hair after the cut because I love to do my cuts on stretched hair. Also, because my hair is a little blunt from the cut, I can nourish it back into shape, and I just love to see how my curls bounce back into action. I'm parting my hair into 4 sections because this is how I like to manage my hair overall from wash day start to finish. After I have my 4 sections, I'm just gonna comb my hair in each quadrant, making sure that it is tangle free before I add my first product, which is going to be my pre-poo. Now, many of you know I love to pre-poo my hair, and the one that I'm gonna be using is from African Pride. This is their Moisture Miracle Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo, and I absolutely love this just because it provides a lot of moisture, a lot of slip to my hair, and it really gets those curls clumped together. And I definitely see that moisture retention being added in my hair once I apply this to it. I'm going to continue applying this pre-shampoo treatment to all of my hair from roots to tips, and it really makes a difference. This is one of my favorite products to use on my hair, hands down, because I could tell that moisture is being added. I get that moisture retention throughout the week, and I know that this definitely helps with my healthy hair journey. After I've applied the pre-shampoo to all 4 sections, I'm going to move into the shower where I'm going to rinse this out and then apply my shampoo. And I'm using lukewarm water to rinse the treatment out. After I've rinsed my hair thoroughly, I'm going to put it back into quadrants, and I'm going to shampoo my hair section by section. I will be using the As I Am Curl Clarity Shampoo, and I absolutely love using this on my hair. It really gets my hair and scalp very clean without stripping any moisture to it. It is a gentle shampoo, but I definitely feel a nice clean lather to my hair. It has coconut, amla, and tangerine in it, and I know that these ingredients are very good for my hair. I know that my hair loves coconut, amla, and tangerine is a new one. I could definitely smell the tangerine scent in it, but it's not overpowering at all. And I also wanted to point out that even though the shampoo is gel-like, it has a really nice thick lather, and that is the type of lather that I love. It lets me know that the shampoo that I'm using is more on the good side for my hair. I do have low porosity in the front, medium porosity in the back, and my hair is very dense, so I do look for more conditioning shampoos, conditioners, and deep conditioners for that reason, because I want to keep my hair's health on point. And once I finish applying the shampoo to each quadrant individually, massaging my scalp, I'm going to take all the clips out and then massage my scalp in one big section, and then I'm going to rinse it out with lukewarm water. And here's how my hair looks after I rinse the shampoo out. It's definitely soft and moisturized. Back into quadrants, I'm going to be applying my next step, which is from Shea Moisture. I'm going to be using their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, and I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorites because it helps to hydrate and restore my hair every single time that I use it. So for this wash day, because I cut my hair and I knew that my hair was blunt at the end, I really wanted to help restore and hydrate my hair, which is why I'm choosing these products accordingly, and I know that these products are going to help with my overall healthy hair journey. I'm applying a generous amount of the conditioner to each quadrant, and I'm working it in very well with my fingers. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb just to help ensure that the conditioner is smoothed in from roots to tips. After the conditioner has been smoothed in the quadrant very well, I'm going to twist my hair, and I've been doing this for quite some time now, and I've noticed that the conditioner really helps to lock into my hair and also to help whatever the conditioner is meant to do. So for this conditioner, it's meant to help to hydrate and repair the hair. So in essence, I'm going to amplify the hydrating and repairing effect of this conditioner. And I'm repeating the same process on the other 3 sections.
That's good.
After I've applied the conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to go back to the first section from when I applied the conditioner and rinse it out with some cool-ish water. So I would say it's a little bit cooler than lukewarm, and I'm making sure to rinse the conditioner out in its entirety. And my hair is super soft. It feels really good, and leaving the conditioner on for a few minutes really helps to lock that moisture in. Like I said before, it really helps to amplify whatever the conditioner is meant to do. Then I'm going to apply my deep conditioner in immediately, and this one is from Camille Rose. It's their Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, and I love this deep conditioner. It also has cocoa and mango butter in it, which I know are definitely hydrating ingredients to keep my hair in good shape. Also, it has green algae that helps to prevent my hair from breaking, shedding, and thinning. I like to apply a good amount of the deep conditioner, making sure that it's worked in from roots to tips. So if I had to add a little bit more, I will. I just want my hair to be nice and saturated with TLC. After I've applied the deep conditioner in all 4 sections, I'm going to remove all the clips and put a plastic shower cap on. I leave the plastic cap on while I take my extended shower, and that just comprises of many different steps just to keep my feminine energy up. After 15 minutes of leaving the shower cap on, my hair is super soft, very moisturized, and it feels so healthy. This is definitely how I want my hair to feel after I have applied my deep conditioner and before rinsing it out. And then I rinse the deep conditioner out with cold water, as cold as I can stand. And here's how my hair looks after this whole wash day is complete. I really love how it turned out. My hair is very hydrated, very moisturized, conditioned, and restored. This is definitely what I was looking for after my cut. And as always, I'm gonna wrap a cotton t-shirt around my hair just to soak up any excess water, not moisture. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.